Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Deep Spa. This is Pavara Sai, and today we are going to talk about how you can learn to move on from the past and accept the changes that's going on with you. So let's get straight to today's video. First things first, let's get this clear for everybody that's watching this video. Always just have this thing in your mind that you are enough for yourself. You do not need anybody else to define you or your worth. If you think that you need this person or you need this person to define who you are, then you are wrong. Because you do not need anybody to define you. You are you. You are a different individual, way better than them, and you are definitely the person who's not going to be defined by who they are. Also, if you think that somebody leaving your life is a big loss for you, then no, honey, we are not doing this like that. You are the one who's going to be the happiest person on the earth if somebody goes. Because when they go, they're making a space for another person to come into your life. You see, if somebody is going to leave me, I'm gonna be like, okay, bye bye. Next person is gonna come, and I'm gonna be way more happy than accepting those new changes. Yes, you might feel sad. Maybe you can call it some kind of attachment, some kind of bond. Maybe it was love. Maybe it was just something totally different. It cannot be defined. But you also have to realize if you are capable to give somebody of that thing, you are capable of giving it to somebody else as well. They are not the person that deserve you if they are leaving you. If somebody else is going to come into your life, let them. Accept the changes that are going on in your life, honey. You are a person that is born to create a good future for yourself. And if they leave you, without giving you an explanation, then they are not worthy to have your explanation without them asking. For example, if a friend leaves you over something, maybe you can say for a small reason, oh my god, I told you to do this, but you didn't do this. Leave. Leave out of my life. You don't tell me what to do. If we are friends, you have to accept what I have to do, and I will accept what you have to do. It stands over mutual understanding. It doesn't go over what you tell me to do and I have to do it. No. You can leave. I'll accept new changes. If you are toxic, then you are not finding a friend. If you are toxic, then it's not my fault. If a person is toxic, then they do not want a friend. They want a servant to fulfill their needs, which they are not capable of doing on their own. So you can go, there's the door, and another person can come. And I will be way more happy to accept this new person, rather stay with you and accept your deals. Second thing, if you really think that somebody living your life is going to give you a major throwback over to the thing that you're gonna cry about them, you're gonna have a full on mental breakdown, then honey, the issue is you. Look into the mirror. They are not the problem, honey. Realize it. They left you like you didn't even exist. They left you like you were nothing. And here you are, crying, begging them to stay. What is going on with you? Are you that weak? Are you that close to the changes that are going on into your life? You are literally stopping everything around you just so that you can call that one person back who didn't give a shit about you when they left. You are crying over something that left your life like a while ago, and you are not accepting the thing that's standing right in front of you, in front of the gate of your life, but you're not accepting that change because you're crying over them. And I'm not saying crying over somebody is wrong. I'm saying holding them while they want to leave and not accepting the changes that are coming your way is wrong. And trust me when I say this, I've been there. I've been there. I have been just like you and I've healed. And even I was the same person at that time which I am right now. The same Bhavya that is trying to motivate you all that are watching this video. The same Bhavya was crying for some people. Yeah. And the only thing in my head was, my God, how am I going to pass this thing? This thing is not going to go away. This is haunting me forever. Guess what? I started a freaking YouTube channel after that. You never know what is going to go in your life if you don't accept the changes that are coming your way. And that's the thing with life. It's unpredictable. The universe is unpredictable. There are billions of people on this earth. It's one person. It is literally one person. What are you crying for? You want to be a servant? You want to work for them? It's not friendship. It's not love. Trust me, honey, when I say this. If somebody left you, then the love was never there. It was just a thing. It's just a fling, just for a while. It was just a certain need that they wanted to fulfill from you. And they are nasty. Trust me on that. But you, honey, you were on the other side. You were very kind. You were very clean with them. And now that they have left, you have to realize your worth. We don't do this. We don't cry for the people who have left us. We realize what we are. We learn a lesson for that. If somebody left me, I'm going to take a lesson. I'm going to learn for that. I'm going to say, okay, there, this person was at fault. Here, I was at fault. Okay, I should have done that. They should have done that. But do we regret our decision? I don't regret anything. Do I doubt myself? No, I will never doubt myself for somebody else because I know my worth. That somebody else cannot define it. Nobody can define my worth for me. And that's the thing you have to realize. If somebody left you, let them. If somebody's saying bad about you, let them. If you're having flashbacks from that memories, let it be. You are not that weak that is gonna cry over some, I don't know, some dumb flashbacks. I don't know what are you crying about. I cannot understand why you don't realize that moving on from a person is a natural phenomenon. Moving on from something is a natural human thing. You are not a bad person for moving on. It is not your fault. Trust me, it was never your fault. If you are crying for someone and they don't realize it, then it's not your fault, it's them. Somebody left you to cry. If somebody left you in your worst situation, if they abandoned you, they don't deserve to know how you got out of the situation. They don't deserve to know what you did to cope up from that thing. And they don't deserve your calls or texts, your messages, even your energy in remembering about them. They don't deserve anything. They deserve the people that they are. They deserve the toxicity that they gave you. And they deserve the hate they felt when they left you. And third, moving on from things can be a bit hard, but it's never too, hectic. If you were trying to do something, for example, you try to start up, like for a new startup, you try to do something and it failed. And now you're devastated. What I'm gonna do? I put this amount of money on that. I put this amount of energy on that. It's an unlimited world. You can start whenever you want. You can start up a million times and fail a million times, and only you know and the universe knows when you're gonna boost up. See, honey, it is your life. You are responsible for what's going on in your life. You can do a thing like 100 plus times and you can stop just after one try, but it's your choice. At the end, it's you who's going to decide what to do and what to not. And if you failed one time, do you think you're not gonna do anything? If you failed in this, okay, now what? Are you not capable of doing something else? Like, for example, if you did a startup and you failed in that, do you think you can now become an actor after that? You can do anything you want. It's just about confidence, it's just about the caliber, and you know where you stand, you know where you lie. So why are you stopping? What are you waiting for? Do you need a magic wand or what? It's your life. Go do it. You can do it. You can literally achieve whatever you want. You can literally do whatever you want. And it's not about somebody else defining you like you have to do this or you cannot do that. Screw you. I can do whatever you want to do. I didn't knew. Like before 4 months, I had no idea I would start a YouTube channel. I had no idea. I had courage that I can go motivate people. I had the courage that I can talk to 10 people if I'm sitting in a room and if somebody tells me to talk to them. But I never had the idea I could start a YouTube channel. Guess what I'm doing now? I am talking to you all. Am I not? Did I stop in the middle? Yes. I was scared. I was nervous. How am I gonna look? People are gonna judge me. I don't look that good. Are my speaking skills even that clear? What is going on? Did I stop? I didn't. I'm just trying to improve myself. Go to the first video that I made and look at my confidence. My first video is about confidence and I look so nervous. And right now I'm talking to you all very chill, being very open to you all, just speaking everything that's from here, not from here. And that's about confidence and that's about caliber because I knew I could do it. And so I'm doing it. And trust me, one day I'll make it and you guys will be there for me. And same is for you, honey. You can do it. It's in here. You know, when you see something and you realize, oh my God, I'm made for this, I can do it. It's all in here and it's all in here. The thing is, from which part you work from. If you work from here, it may give you a lot of challenges, but at the end, it's gonna be worth it. And if it's from here, you will ignore the challenges and you'll straight go for the goal and for the success. The choice is yours. You want to stop or do you want to win? Because you are the head of your life and you're responsible for anything that's going on in your life. Nobody is going to stop you. And if they do, remove them. If this person is going to stop me from doing anything in my life, I'm going to pick them up and I'm going to throw them away. You are not the person for me if you're stopping me, if you're not telling me that I can do this, if you're not motivating me or helping me, you can leave. There's the door, come back, never come again. That's it. Go do that thing. And to the people who ever feel that they're not good enough, let me just remind you, you can wear that dress, you can wear that outfit, you can have that drink, you can eat that food, you can go out, you look good in that dress, you look good on those shoes, you look good with that hair, you look good with that makeup. You are enough for yourself. You're strong. Your willpower is strong. Your mentality is strong. Your confidence is strong. You are strong. You're good to go. Nobody is stopping you. You are the only person that's stopping you. Let yourself fly and see how high you're gonna reach. Let yourself take off and then you're gonna notice how high you can fly. Let yourself do something. Give yourself a chance. You give 100 chances to other people just to make them stay. Give yourself one chance just to prove to yourself that you are enough. Just to prove yourself that you can do that. You are enough. You got this. Trust me. You will do it. It's gonna pass. It's nothing just a face. It's all in here. Listen this for once. Just for once, listen to this. Give yourself a bit of time and come watch this video again if you doubt me. Give yourself a bit of time or just look into the mirror and speak to yourself, oh yes, I am worthy and I will do it. They are not on my level and I can do it. I got this. You got this. You got this. I am so proud of you. You will get through it. And to the people who just got through their phases, celebrate yourself. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I believe that you have fought through it and I believe that you got over it with happiness and I believe you never want to go back to that phase again. I can relate with you. So celebrate yourself whenever you get the chance and to the people who are still fighting through that, you can do this, honey. Don't doubt yourself. They're not the people who they're not the people who you are going to doubt yourself from. They're not worth it. But you got this and you will do it. Okay? So that is it for today. And I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.